Hey Hooper, welcome to the first hoop class with me. How exciting. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, every hoop class in these sessions is going to be a little bit different, but I generally follow a format in most of my classes. We start with a body activation warm-up, and then we usually go into something that will amplify your coordination. Today, we're going to do some breaks and different styles of breaks. Then we do on-body stuff, and if you're not an on-body hooper, well, you're about to be. I want you to feel into any of the frustrations or any of the stuff that comes up, the joy, the ecstasy, the wonder, the desire to throw your hoop out the window, whatever comes up, because we're going to stick with it. If you miss out on your on-body stuff, then you are missing out on so much strength building and connection. So we're in it together. Then, in this particular class, we're going to take two simple concepts and transform them into freshness. We're going to look for new ideas and new ways to move through them because most of you asked for that. You are looking for some more flow, some more ways to integrate the moves that you already know, and some freshness. So that's what today is all about. Then we're going to do a quick flow session based on that freshness. Then we go into some playtime, and then we cool down. For most of today's class, I'm going to be using either a Polypro hoop that is 90 centimeters or an HDPE dance hoop with a bit of grip tape on it for that on-body stuff that's about 95 or 100 centimeters. But grab your favorite hoop and let's go. So let's clear some space. You can do this with or without a hoop, and really we're just coming into the circle and activating our body. The question that I would like you to ask yourself is, how am I feeling? You can ask that over and over again, but here's the key: you need to wait for the answer. Don't be one of those people that ask the question and don't wait for the answer. Your body will tell you. So let's begin. Hands on the outside. We're just going to take a few deep breaths here. In through the nose, and out through the nose. If movement starts to come in, that's totally fine. Find a rhythm in your breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. I want you to take your concentration, your energy to a part of your body that's often neglected. Not the part of the body that often is noisy or gives you pain, but a part of the body that doesn't get as much attention or love as you move through activation. Maybe it's the balls of your feet. Maybe it's the outsides of your hips. So bring some more movement into that area. And notice that this warm-up is completely freestyle. You're going to start to feel a little bit more warmth, maybe a little bit more courage to move. And it doesn't matter. We're not meant to be cool in this moment. We're just kind of stretching out. If it feels right for you, you can get rid of your hoop. Again, taking your attention to a part of the body that you often neglect. The backs of the knees, in between the fingers, behind the ears, the fascia rolling up over the back of your skull, in between your shoulder blades, in between your ribs. Picking up the pace if it feels right for you. Learning to take your hoop with you. Has the answer come yet? How are you feeling? Wait for it. Stagnant, excited, confused, free, grumpy, cool, indifferent, light. Ooh, hello knees. Come with me. It's just you and me in the living room. We're going to stay here until you find those pockets in your body that you forgot about today, this week, this month. Lower back, inner wrists, armpits, bring some pace into your movement. No judging how the movement is coming, allowing it. Playing with it, recognizing the need to shift, to move, to quicken, to soften. Notice the desire to hoop when it comes in. To trick, to play, to spin, to stand still, to silence, and when it feels right for you, come to a space, feet grounded, knees lifted, pelvis forward, shoulders dropped. 4 deep breaths. In and out. This time through the mouth. In and out. 2 more times in your own time. Feel the sensation of that heartbeat quickening. I know for me, it's nice and warm and sweaty in here, so I'm definitely feeling that activation. We're going to move into coordination stations.